Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to create a hyperlink to a specific cell within the same Excel workbook. This is really useful when you've got large sheets with lots of data, and you want a shortcut to jump straight to a certain cell without scrolling. There are two ways to do this. Method 1. Create a hyperlink manually. Right-click the text you want to turn into a hyperlink and choose Link. In the dialog box, select the sheet you want. At the top, in the cell reference box, type the cell you want. For example, a 5. Click OK. Now, when you click the link, Excel takes you straight to that cell. You can edit the hyperlink at any time. For example, change it from A5 to A100, and the link will now jump directly to A100. Method 2. Use Alt plus right-click drag. Here's a quicker trick. Suppose I want to link to a particular cell. Hold down Alt on your keyboard. Right-click the border of the cell you want to link to. Drag it down to the sheet or the text where you want the hyperlink. Release Alt, then release your mouse button. Choose Create Hyperlink here. Excel automatically creates a link to that exact cell. If you check Edit Hyperlink, you'll see it's inserted the cell reference for you. No need to type it manually. And that's it. 2 easy ways to link directly to a specific cell in the same workbook. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.